Hello traders, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Epic Trading. So let's continue talking about the RB strategy, the WRB strategy. So the WRB strategy is a strategy that can help you to follow the trend. Follow the momentum. Don't go against the momentum if you are using this. If you see the momentum in two candles close inside that, just follow the momentum. You'll be anywhere inside. Don't go against the momentum. The momentum is something that pushes the market. So please don't go against it. So here, I have this setup. I think it's a WRB setup. You can see two candles are moving in between. The first candle close inside. You can see the second. If it's close inside, we are good to go here. Let's go to another. Also see here it's a buy. I'll explain to you why I buy here at the close of this. You can see this is a win. You can see here the momentum, it was a seller's momentum. And at the end we have the WRB candle, and here we have a candle, a hammer candle here at the bottom, and this candle have an ultra high volume compared to the previous two candles, and you can see here inside the WRB. So I know that I'm good to go with the momentum here. You can see this momentum that comes here, I expect that it will be the same momentum that will push the market back to that level again. That's why I end at here. Oh, I missed this one. I was good to go here. You can see. Like again, you can see this is the momentum, seller's momentum push the market. But here you can see it was stopped with this morning star pattern. You can see by this hammer candle and this. You can see this is a good sign to go. I was supposed to buy here, no doubt. You see, now it comes back inside again, but I'm not good to go here. I'll draw that candle. If it give me a good setup, I'll take it and go with the market. Or just follow the momentum. Just follow the momentum using this. This is a candlestick psychology, but you will not analyze candle on their own. We have something to help you. Let's check here. Check. It was a put option. You can see here. It's a WRB. You see these two candle close inside, and here we're good to go with the same option. Why? Because we do not reach this level, and you see, it's a win. Let's wait for these two. Let's wait for these two. And here, close inside. Let's wait for this one to see what will happen to the momentum again. Here, yes, this is a WRB candle. Let's draw this one. Here, from setups, 3 setups are up here. Let me see what will happen here. Oh, it broke. Let's go to another one. It also broke. Let's go to this one. It's still inside. I'm good to go. Let's watch this one 10 more seconds. This is my entry point. It's a win. That's the power. You can see this was an uptrend, so I just follow the momentum because I saw that this is the point where the sellers now should come. See the power now, the buyers momentum. Let's find another one here and here. This candles. See if there's another market which are open. Here Euro, Britain, Euro USD, Euro Great Britain, Japan. Let's see Great Britain, Japan. Okay, no setups here. No setup here. There's a setup here, you can see. Let's go with this one. It's supposed to go with here. Miss it. Miss it. Yes, it was a sell option. Why? Because you can see the market is moving like this. You can see it tried to go up. You can see the power of the sellers. You can see. So I was supposed to go with the sell option here. Let's go and find another. If the momentum is taking us downwards, if the momentum is taking us upwards, we go upwards. That's how we take this using WRB. Even sometimes, blindly, you can place it differently. You see? Yes, it's coming back. It's coming back. It's coming back. Let's see if we're good to go with buyers here. Sellers here. See. To close this. Oh, it close sides again. Let's find out. Here to close inside, and we're good to go with buyers. And I missed this one. You can see now it was a buyer's entry, not seller's entry. Why? Because we're at the point of buyers interested. And when I hit the point of buyers, we look for buyers first. If everything's point was to enter a buy option, enter a buy option. But if it was a seller's moment, that's when we end with sellers. Let's wait and see another. If you miss one, don't lose it. Just find another. We'll find many good entries using this strategy. Many good entries. Don't want this video to be too long like this. If I find another entry, or just enter one and stop the video. I wanted to enter 5 trades, but I think due to the way the market is moving, sometimes I'm missing trades. Good trade like this one, it was a good opportunity, but to miss it, as well through that candle. I'm expecting also this candle. I'm expecting to see if okay, yes, this candle is straight. Let's draw this candle. I'm expecting a good setups. See, it's about close inside. Yeah. What is that? Let's draw this candle. Let's see here what's going on here. What's going on? Is it a seller's momentum or a buyer's momentum? Bro, then this one is about to break again. It's hard to find every that today. But to do that, I'll find one. I need one. Need one Android. We're good to go. I think. It was a good to go, but I'll go with bias here if I get good sign. Let's put it buy. You see, it's a win again. It's a win. It's a win. Why I go with bias here? You know, from my previous video, you can see most of the time I was going with sellers. If the in a green Arab comes to red candles, I put this trade because I wanted to clear something. I want to clear something, guys. Here you can see the WRB strategy. It means we are using one candle as a support and a resistance at the same time. So if you know, if you are at the top of the resistance, if you are at the resistance, you know we are supposed to buy the resistance here at the bottom, and at the top here at the support is supposed to sell. So you can see the market is now reached, is near the resistance level. Can we sell? We don't sell, we buy. That's why I buy here with the marginal safety, because I know potential it is, it can either be a small candle or a big candle. That's why I buy a small red candle or a red candle. That's why I buy with a small marginal safety here. That's how you do it. It's not always that you'll be, if you see the candles like this, you'll put a sell option. But if this candle closes something somewhere here, I was supposed to sell, no doubt, just to go with the momentum of sellers. But it closed at the support level, at the resistance level, and I go with buyers because I know for at least the one candle best you're supposed to end. And I saw that there was a little volume. That's why I take that trade. Let's find out one last. I think I'm clearing the question that we're asking me, brothers, on my inbox. I think I'm clearing them. Yeah. You can see here. Yeah. Yeah, I'm good to go with buyers. How you can go against the momentum. It's not always you have to score against the momentum. Sometimes you have to follow the momentum, but sometimes you have to go against it because there will be a reason to go against the momentum. 30 more seconds. Why? I enter without marginal safety. You can see the point I enter. If I enter at least with marginal safety, it was a win. It was a go against momentum. I'm doing this to answer some of the questions we have. So here, the setup why I entered it. You saw yesterday, if the setup comes like this, I was also entering the buy option here. Because there was a good reason for me to enter the option. But here, it was not good for me to enter the option. You can see the first time the buyers enter were very weak. You can see there. The sellers push the market here and the buyers push the market up and they were very weak. And you can see the sellers comes strong. Now, beside that, then the second kind of our WRBs comes strong. So we're supposed to go with the put option here. And it was a win. You see, it was a red candle because of the momentum and because of the setup, the kind of the setup we have. That's why I entered this trade and I know it was going to be a loose trade or a win. It was going to be a win with marginal safe hit. For example, the first trade I ended with marginal safe hit and it was a win. In the second candle, I ended it without marginal safe hit and it is a loss. So you see the kind of trade you should do against the momentum for you to win, and the kind of trade you should not do against the momentum. That's what I'm doing here. Let's find another one, last one, and this one. And I need a straight win. I need a straight win because I want to show you something. This one should be a straight win. I don't want it to be a loss, so I will do everything right and explain it to you why I take that trade. So let's find. Please, if we have a little patience, we'll find an entry. You see, the first one was inside this red candle. Let's wait and see the second one. I want to go with momentum, only with momentum. You see, also closing side. Let's wait and see if we are good to go here. If we are good to go,